The Safe Mobility for Life Coalition wants you to remain independent, safe, and active in your communities, whether you're driving or not. That's why we created Florida's Guide to Safe Mobility for Life, a free resource to help you build a transportation plan that meets your needs now and into the future. The first step in developing your plan is to identify your transportation options. Visit findarideflorida.org to learn about different services available to you. On the website, there's a listing of transportation service providers for all 67 Florida counties. Use the My Transportation Options worksheet from the guide to fill in all the possible transportation options in your area. Remember to include walking and biking as transportation options if you live near stores, transit stops, and other destinations. On the My Transportation Plan worksheet, list all the places you need and want to go, how often you go there, and which of your available options can get you there. This could include a weekly grocery run, trips to the library, or outings to other businesses. When you know your available options and how to use each one, you'll be prepared to start using them. Once your plan is in place, test it out to see how it works for you. Adjust as needed and become at ease with getting around your community without using your personal vehicle. Make a commitment to using your plan and challenge yourself to use a new transportation option to run an errand. This will help you gain confidence and experience to become more comfortable with not driving. Visit fdot.tips/guide to access Florida's Guide to Safe Mobility for Life. Here you'll find digital versions of the guide in English and Spanish and can download blank worksheets to start building your plan. With preparation and practice, you can take control of your transportation future, maintaining your independence beyond the driver's seat. Safe Mobility for Life, funded by the Florida Department of Transportation.